Clair County until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Springdale to Trustville to Birmingham, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Trustville, Irondale, Leeds, Moody, Springville, Odenville, Center Point, Clay, Gibson, Tarrant, Margaret, Argo, Filament Lakes, BJCC, Chalkville, Kingston, and Tri Point South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and St. Clair,